Alright, because the last film was so complex and had so much data, I wanted to put together something that just reviewed the floor plans without interior photos or section views or any of the considerations that led one plan to the other. First we'll look at the second floor alternatives with the stairs in their existing location like this, which is going to be all the plans F1 through F10 on the first floor, and then with the stairs in the alternative location coming this way and up. So with the stairs in their existing location, no addition back here. A half bath is the best we can do on the second floor. And this is one, all this does is add a few accoutrements to that, a linen cabinet, optional skylight to get some natural light in there, but otherwise it doesn't change. Again, with the stairs in their existing location, if you added the addition back here in this blue, then you can get a full bath on the second floor. This is one look at that. Second bath is just demonstrating that the tub can be anywhere really up to 72 inches long with just some different pushes on this here. Now if you change the orientation of the stairs, rebuild those where they're coming up this way and then turning, this is presumption that this addition happens back here. This was the full bath I was able to get on the second floor. And the tub can be longer than this. It can be 66 if you wanted a little longer tub. Everything is code compliant here. This just demonstrates the enlargement of bedroom 3 by eliminating the tub in favor of a shower. This is a sumptuous shower. There would then be no tub in the house because I don't show any first floor plan with a tub. These baths here, used with these stairs going this way, can be applied to any of the plans G1 through G93. So at the first floor then, we're going to look at the floor plans that show the stairs in their existing location, in their existing configuration for now. And this is where they come up this way, turn the landing, and go up the other 3 or 4 steps. Coming to the first floor, keep in mind that in any of the plans, anything that you see either in F or G plans that happens up here can be plugged into either of the ones, with the stairs this way or the stairs this way. So I don't show every single alternative, obviously. But beginning with the stairs left in their existing location, this was the first bath I was able to show on the full bath on the first floor, and you can see what's happening up in here. Alternatively to the small shower and the wide toilet space, you can go with a more narrow toilet space and a more generous shower. Between those two plans, nothing changes at the mudroom and laundry area. Next, if this bath is not large enough, and if you can get by with a smaller laundry facility like this, remember there's a little place here for a wastebasket not shown, then this accomplishes the full bath over in here and the laundry here. All this last bit does is squeeze this washer space a little bit. You don't need that much for it, to increase the width of the kitchen a bit. Now, the plans that reorient the stairs, keep in mind again, any of these things, anything that happens up in here at this corner can be plugged into these ones with the stairs relocated. This was the first relocated stair plan, the full bath accomplished in here, and that's detailed in the larger film. Next was getting a closet in here. Nothing changes the laundry. Getting a closet in here. Now the laundry begins to change, and I would not use this door like this in any case. I think the door has to open that way regardless. This reduces this shower, bringing this wall back a little bit as well. Next, just rotates the laundry around, put your little closet here and your laundry here with hooks here and a big wide opening here. So we went from a 3'0" opening to a 5' opening, but I think that some sort of food storage is needed in here, my opinion. Nothing changes down here at the entry and bath. This is just mudroom change. I think we also need this extra 3 inches to the left of the range, so that happens next. Whether you wanted little doors on here, pocket door can slide back here if you wanted to be able to close that off for privacy or noise. I just show a little double door, but it could be a pocket door as well. The next move then is to take one of that bathroom plan, the one I like the best from the F plans, and plugging it into this one like this, and moving the laundry down here. Doing that increases our closet a little bit, another 6 inches. This door stays at 3'0". The only issue, if there's an issue with this laundry, is that this wall stays here for structural support, and you have to, get your clothing from the washer to the dryer around this wall here. This next move is the same laundry, and it just works with this closet and this door here. Admits that entry door needs to go that way some to give a person access in and out, and it'll have to be closed to get into this closet. Also in that move, I made that closet smaller so that I could widen this out to 40 inches into this bedroom. Now finally, if that wall is too much, it's possible to eliminate that and have the laundry facility like this, also reviewed in the longer film. And the last move is using up a little bit of this laundry room depth to get this closet, widen this closet back out where a 24-inch door can go on it. And so that is that. Of all of these plans, the ones with the stairs going this way with the reoriented stairs, this is my favorite one. I think it makes the best use of the space in all areas. And of the ones with the stairs going the other way, the stairs staying in their existing location, my favorite one would be this one. So that is that. Perhaps the biggest push is if the stairs stay in their existing location, the biggest opening we can get in here is this 32-inch door. Hopefully this has helped matters rather than complicating them.